y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have an unboxing for you. I just got a new order from Paper House Productions, and I got some fun new things that I thought I would share with you. So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned. I will definitely link them down below. I do have a discount code for Paper House Productions, and I have an affiliate link down below. So make sure to use those to save some extra percentage off your order. All right, let's go. Okay, the things I ordered this time around kind of fit into two categories. And the first one would be Patriotic. So I picked up these clear cut stickers, these clear stickers. They are all about the military family. I think it is so beautiful. I am a part of a military family. My husband is in the Army, and so these will definitely come in handy in our memory keeping. I think it's just such a beautiful set, and I love that they're all clear. So fun. So I have this set. Look at the high heel and the camo. I think that is so cute. So I bought this, and then I also bought Home Front Girl. So this is a full set. Let me pull it out and then I'll show you what's inside. Okay, as part of this set, you have papers and stickers. First of all, you have these 3D puffy stickers. Real heroes wear camo, military family, brave. I think those are beautiful, and I love the kisses with the American flags too. Then you have some cardstock stickers. I really like that this one comes with alphas. I think that is gorgeous. I love the blue camo right here. And then some gorgeous papers that you can use in your memory keeping that are super fun and patriotic. Great for if you're documenting July 4th. Love the flags, or you know, Labor Day coming up, any of the patriotic holidays, or if you are a military family, of course these will come in really handy. I do really like the cards, and I like that you get multiples so that you can use the back and have the cards too. So that is the Home Front Girl kit that I got, and then plus I picked up these stickers to go with it as well. And then the other things I picked up kind of fit into another category, so let me move this and I will show you the other things. All right, I am doing a bunch of projects this summer that kind of revolve around camping, and true confession, I am not someone that camps. I'm not like crazy outdoorsy as far as wanting to stay outdoors, so I didn't have a lot of camping material, you might say. So I picked some up for these projects, and I got kind of a variety, so I'm pretty excited. First of all, I got these epoxy clips, which are so cute. I'm going to be sticking them in my planner and in my cutie keeper, which is one of the projects I'm working on, and I really like the compass and I really like the moose. I think that is super cute. So those are just a little decorative touch. I picked up these are sticker flakes. So I think they are just tiny stickers, and look, you have the little campers, the bears, the trees. I'm excited to try these. I have never tried their sticker flakes before, so we will see how it goes. I'll definitely let you know how I end up liking those, but I also like the wood slice right there. I think that is super cute, and you could totally cut that out and use it. All right, next up I have two sets of stickers. This one I think probably describes my style of camping. Glamping is camping in style, and I love the colors. I probably should have gotten two of this because these are definitely ones that will go with the camping theme that I'm working on. Again, look at the high heel with the little like boot marks on the bottom. I think it's so fun. So I got those, and then I got this, which coordinates really well with the epoxy clips that I got, and these are the 3D stickers. And so I love the arrows and the leaves. I think that's all fun, and these are all going to coordinate really nicely together for a camping feel. And then I got a couple of sets of cardstock stickers. First of all, I got some Yellowstone stickers as part of the Fussy Cuttin' Cuties. Our Take Me Away Day is to Yellowstone National Park, and so I thought these would be fun stickers to include. And then I got this camping pack of stickers. I really like the back. Look at that. Summer camp. That's so cute. Take a hike, camping buddies, so fun. So these are stickers I'll be able to use in projects. And again, it's not really memory keeping projects because we don't really go camping as a family, but I'm using them in some themed projects, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. All right, this piece I'm super excited about. This is acetate, and it was designed by Shauna Klingerman, The Great Outdoors. I love it, and look at that beautiful acetate piece. I think that is going to be so fun to use. I think that's gorgeous. And then a bunch of paper. So let's take a look. I love wood grain paper. And then look at that lake view. So pretty. This is the Lake Life collection. Then we have this one. So pretty. The Great Outdoors. I got a bunch of this collection, and truthfully, I didn't even realize that it was designed by Shauna Klingerman. That is so funny. Love the night sky. Super cute. The arrows. Call of the Wild. So pretty. I can't wait to use these. Great Outdoors again. Look at that. These will be pretty backgrounds. Oh, I love the cards. I love camping. I'm going to have to like cross it out and put glamping. So cute. Great Outdoors. Life is better when you're camping. So fun. And then I picked up some just different ones. This is grass. I thought it would be super great background. Love those stars. Love me a good wood grain always. And some gray stripes with stars. So pretty. So these are all of the kind of camping themed materials that I picked up to use in some projects. I love Paper House. Just has such a wide variety. You guys, they have so much stuff. They have stickers and papers and journals and puzzles. Have you checked out their puzzles? They are so fun. So all kinds of stuff, plus all the Patriotic stuff. I'm super excited about this little mini haul. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will definitely leave links to collections down below. Don't forget to use my discount code. Check out my affiliate links to save a little bit of extra money when you are ordering from Paper House. And you can combine my discount code with a sale at Paper House, which is always a good combination to save even more. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. A huge shout out to my Scrappy YouTube members. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your monthly support. It really means the world to me. It allows me to kind of continue this channel. If you are interested in finding out about some of the perks that you can receive as a Scrappy YouTube member, then make sure to click the join button or check out the link in the description box below. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.